Hello, guys, welcome back. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. And in these tough times, I hope you and your family members are doing absolutely great and are safe. So, today I've decided to start a new series of Materia Medica third year remedies with their flashcards, which will help you all to revise the drug very quickly and which will help you all to cover the Materia Medica portion for revision very fast, right? So I've tried to compile this flashcard wherein I've included all the preliminary data and everything important to be remembered with their elements from modalities, the introduction, its keynotes, and some of its characteristic symptoms. So which will help you all to get it done and to revise the drugs properly before your examinations. So we'll begin with it, राइट. सो ये मैं आशा करता हूँ कि ये आपको सीरीज़ पसंद आए एंड प्लीज़ अपने दोस्तों के साथ इसे शेयर कीजिएगा ताकि मुझे और मोटिवेशन मिले नए नए वीडियोस बनाने के लिए. एंड प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब एज वेल, राइट. सो वी बिगिन विद द एसिडिक एसिड. Acetic acid. This is generally asked for short notes in for GIT and in fever. So acetic acid, source mineral kingdom, synonyms glacial acetic acid, C4H3O6, family organic acid, common name vinegar, miasm tubercular, thermally chili patient. Keynotes: profound anemia with some dropsical symptom, hemorrhage from any part, wasting and debility, power to liquefy albuminous and fibrinous deposits. Borix Materia Medica introduction. This drug produces a condition of profound anemia with some dropsical symptoms, great debility, frequent fainting, weak heart, profuse urination, plus sweat. Now we see some of the ailments from anesthetic vapors, fumes of charcoal plus gas, stings and bites, ledampal, surgical injuries, surgical shock, sausage poisoning. Some of the modalities of acetic acid are: it is aggravated by cold air, aggravated in wet, checked secretions, fog, night, and ameliorated by motion and loose stools. Then we finally move on to the nucleus of the remedy, which is it is a very good remedy in thesical states, which is the tubercular state. The word thesical is no longer used in our day-to-day times, and emaciation wherein the face, hand and thighs are profoundly emaciated. There is great thirst. The thirst is insatiable. Wasting debility plus coldness of the body and anemia with waxy pallor of the face. So with this we have tried to cover the acetic acid in short, which you all need to remember. Generally, the all the key points, all the keynotes, the introduction part, the remedy which is very good for, and also this is a part of the acid groups. So you know you will get to see the debility part very frequently in these groups. So with this we'll be ending our video. These videos will be quite short, and it will be like a very short flashcard. So this typically is a flashcard type series wherein before going to examinations or while revising drugs, you will be able to quickly revise it. And if you do it with a visual appearance and also a auditory input, so the audio visual learning which will help you all a lot to remember the drugs as well. So with this I end the video, and I hope you all like it, and please do share my channel with your friends and subscribe it as well, because I've noticed that 70% of the population who watch my videos haven't subscribed it yet. So that's quite demotivating as well, but there is always some hope, but and I'll always try my best to help you all out, right? So with that said, goodbye, and do take very good care of yourself and your family members as well.